Come test drive the 2016 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.